I just. Oh my god, I can't speak. I'm not editing this anymore, but like, I just finished editing my other video that's coming out. This is going in. This is the intro. So this is like around 5 tips. I'm not really good at editing, so it would be really appreciated for a comment. Editing is boring, and you'll get a heart. And so yeah, thank you. I hope this helped you a lot. I mean, I hope this will help you. Sorry if I stutter a lot, because I mean, it's not scripted, and like, yeah. I mean, not a lot of decent. Okay, I can't speak right now. I'm tired. I mean, it's not really late, but like, yeah, I'm tired. I'm not really a fan of editing, so editing is boring in the comment section, and you get a heart from me. See ya. Hello, guys, and welcome to another Fortnite video. So today I'm gonna show you how to an old meta to edit really fast like this, and a fate and two facing glitches. So let's get right on with the video. So for the first facing glitch, your opponent, I can't speak, is in a box like this. You're on top of them, and you place a wall, and then you break their cone, and now whenever they place their cone, it won't fully build, so you can break that, and then you can get a really easy shot on them, because not a lot of people know about this, and you can't really, see it in your box, because if this is in, you won't see it. So, and then 1, 2, and he's already down in. Plus, this glitch works better if your enemy is building out of wood, so they don't realize in time. But it works with both. So let's move on to another facing glitch. Your next facing glitch, pretty simple. You just edit a cone. Let's say your enemy's here. You edit your cone like that, the back 2 pieces. Break this, and I don't have, but break this, and then just reset this. And let's do this again. If you have traps, this is a good method I use. If you have traps, you keep holding your builds. Let's say they keep breaking them. Make sure you don't place one here, because they might focus on that, and then you want them to focus on you. So you walk up to here, to the left side. In the middle, it won't work. But if you have it like this, you move a bit to the left and you reset your edit, and it's pretty easy. So the thing I was talking about is you do that, edit, and then trap them really quickly. They would not have time. So that's pretty easy. So let's move on to our next phasing glitch. Our next phasing glitch is pretty much the same as that, but it's with this. It's with a floor. It's exactly, it's exactly the same, but a bit less efficient, because you kind of get stuck. As with this, you just run through. So you again edit that, and in here you can walk wherever. and you and you walk through the build. I'm a bit ill, so you know. So now let's move on to another phasing glitch. Another. It's kind of a phasing glitch, kind of not. This might be more useful in games, in game, than I mean in death runs and speed runs than in the actual game. But when you're running, this is pretty old. When you're running and you just place it like that, you kind of get a boost, so you walk forward faster. So that's not really phasing, but yeah, I think it fits onto here. So let's now move on to a last not phasing glitch. I said so now let's move on to our next tip slash trick. So our next tip is pretty old, so you might already know it, might not know about it but not know how to do it. But here you go into your keybinds. So you have reset building edit, mouse wheel down, and building edit, mouse wheel down, and I think it was one sec, I don't remember. Yeah, no, I think it was just the reset building edit and select building edit. I mean, not so reset building edit and building edit. So that's good because let's say your enemy's in a box here, like that, and then you break their wall. You can do a series of edits to bamboozle them, because you edit and then just scroll wheel down and you reset it. So you can do it a couple of times. You can do it a couple of times, and it's gonna bamboozle your enemy. And I don't have a gun. This is I chose this map because I'll show you why. I mean, I'll show you later. So yes, you can do a series of edits, and then he's gonna shoot your wall. He's gonna break it, and then you can pump him. This is pretty good in season 9 with the combat shotgun or whatever it's called. So now let's move on to our next kind of tip. My next tip is this map. It's, oh my god, I'm really bad at this. So it's an edit map, but it's not a course like Mongrels, which you time yourself. It's to practice. It's made by Raider464. He made the double keybind meta pretty popular. He is fast at editing. So some videos to a video to him editing will be in the description below. Let's say you're in a box, you're getting spammed. I mean, in boxes I don't have ramps. I have cones. So when I'm getting spammed, I just jump up. You have to do this. You have to do this pretty fast. I break my wall. break my wall, floor here. I break that. I jump up. Okay. I get on top of this. I break that. I jump up and pump them here. Or if I don't have a shotgun, this is maybe like you wanna like, I don't know, finesse them better, or like your shotgun isn't reloaded, so you can go here. You can quickly go here. You have to stand on top of this and you have to time it. Go like that, edit that, and quickly trap them. So like this video if it helped you, because so I gathered these tips from different YouTubers, which their links are gonna be down below, and today is gonna be a double upload. So yeah, I saw that I had around like 50 views on, maybe a bit less than 50 views, but I had yeah, let's say 50 views on my other video, so thank you. So double upload today, so see ya.